Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Your Time to Travel, where we share our adventures, travel tips, and unique finds as we slow travel the world. Today, we're doing something a little different, an exciting Temu unboxing.
That's right. Temu is quickly becoming one of our go-to apps for affordable finds, whether it's travel essentials, pet supplies for our dog, or even fun gadgets for our adventures.
And here's the best part. We've got something special just for you. If you download the Temu app using our link or code in the description, you'll get a free coupon bundle worth $100.
Plus, if you're new to Temu, you can purchase any single item for just $1. Yes, $1. It's the perfect chance to try out the app and see what all the buzz is about.
So stick around as my wife dives into these packages and shares some of our favorite Temu finds. And don't forget to download the app using our link or code to claim your coupon bundle. So let's get started.
So a little about us. We're from Your Time to Travel. We're a couple that slow travels the world. So for this first unboxing, we decided to kind of base it on our travel necessities. These are the things that over a course of our traveling, we have decided that we can't live without, and that make packing, traveling easier. And these are our essential travel items that we have to have. So first off, we'll stay with staying hydrated. This is a perfect size water bottle that will fit in the side of your backpack. Always travel with, usually for small trips, a carry-on and a backpack. This water bottle is perfect just to slide in that little side pocket that you can get through the airports easily as long as it's empty, and then you can refill it as you go. In the airport, fill it up with some water, and then at your destination. So it's easy, it's light, so you can take it with you on all your excursions. So this is a must, a travel water bottle. So we take that everywhere, very important, one of our favorite things. And when we first started out traveling, we got rid of our water bottles because they were too big, and we definitely needed this, so we're super glad to have our water bottles back. The next thing is earbuds, and these are the earbuds that go over your ears. So we do try to work out every day and running and stuff. Sometimes your earbuds can get slippery, slip out, and these are over-the-ear earbuds. These have great sound quality and have been tested out by my husband. And he says they're definitely great. They don't move around, they stay put. So this is also something that we found traveling that we use a lot, are the earbuds, either on the plane or just for exercise. So this was another great find, the earbuds. And of course, traveling, the item that you always need handy is a charger, because you never know where you're going to be and how long it is before you can plug in. So we got this charger. It's super light, super compact, so it easily fits in your purse. It easily fits in your backpack or even in your suitcase. So light and compact, and a must-have when you're traveling to make sure all your devices stay charged. It's really great. And then we have, let's see, now these are some of the things that to stay organized. I'm a big organizer, so we like to stay organized. And we have a lot of cords. So we have, for the chargers, your phone, your cameras, iPads, MacBooks, all of those things all have chargers. So besides shoving them all in a pocket in your backpack, we ordered this nice organizer. So it has these individual pockets that you can put your charging cords in, or your cubes, or your bases to plug into the outlet. Super nice, keeps everything kind of, tied up nicely, organized nicely, so you can find it and you're not going to be a tangled mess of cords. And nice little side pocket here for anything. Sometimes we have the little chips that are memory cards. We slide those in there too for safekeeping. So this was a great little find. Has got a little zipper on the back, has nice, pockets and things like that to keep all your things in. So yeah, super great and super compact. Again, slide down in your backpack and won't take up too much space. So this was another great find. Another thing that we do is our glasses. So we always have sunglasses, our reading glasses, and traveling, sometimes you have to take them off and throw them in your backpack or suitcase or purse, and they were getting, honestly, they were getting scratched and broken. So these little eyeglass cases, his and hers, and it has 2 pockets, which is really great. So you can put, maybe your sunglasses in the front, reading glasses, or however, whatever you need. But it's, it has a little padding, keeps them a little safe. At least it'll keep the scratches off of them. So you can just toss them in there, toss them in your bags, and you're ready to go. And, take care of your eyeglasses. And let's see, what else we picked. A travel case. Now, we've been through a lot of travel cases. Cosmetic bags, your for the men, to put all your shaving stuff in. And a lot of them are really bulky. Like when we pack our carry-ons, it takes out usually like half of the suitcase, so like 1/4 of the suitcase. This one is really nice. It's deep pocketed, so you can get a lot of your stuff in there. And if you don't, it will also collapse down. So it's nice. So it's going to be collapsible and has a nice zipper there. It's it's washable, so if you get a spill in there, you can definitely wash this. And it has this little handy zipper pocket on the bottom. Very nice. So you can put your toothbrush in there, your comb, things like that, little flat items. Another little storage pocket there. So we found that this little case here is definitely nice, super compact to get into your suitcase. It's been great. We really like that travel bag. And then another thing, as far as packing shoes, they always take up so much room. So we do have a set of these plastic bags just for sometimes the soles of your shoes. You're putting them in your suitcase just to put them in a bag to keep them off of your clothes, to keep that soil away from your clothes, has been really great. So these little plastic bags, also too, if you have wet clothes, bathing suits, things like that, it's super convenient to have these in your suitcase. Slides right down in the bottom, and if you need them, super handy. So those are a great thing that we found that we always kind of needed and didn't have, so we were super happy to get those. And then this little case I thought was pretty cool. We're always like, how many shoes can we take on our trip? Because shoes take up a lot of room. So we're always like, we're going to wear the tennis shoes we have on and bring a pair of sandals. And sometimes it's just not enough. And you always do wish you had kind of had that third pair. So this is a shoe case, super nice. You can get 3 pairs of shoes in here, and it slides on the handle right over your suitcase. So this is really nice, and it's pretty deep. So you basically can get a pair of tennis shoes in here, a pair of sandals, and usually a smaller pair. If you travel with slippers, for the hotel room, or another pair of slides or things like that. Super deep for your tennis shoes. Put a pair of slippers or flip-flops in there. And another pair, probably like a thin pair of loafers or something like that. So you can get 3 pairs of shoes in here, and then easily will slide on the handle of your suitcase. Keeps them nice and neat and frees up some storage space in your suitcase. So really great. Excited about that. And then of course, for packing, we cannot live without these packing cubes. So we had some packing cubes, but these packing cubes, I got 2 sets, a set for him and a set for her. And we had some packing cubes, but they were not compression packing cubes, and they work great. But I saw these, and these are compression, so you can get even more in this little cube. So when you're traveling a lot and you're trying not to bring a lot of stuff with you, you're trying to pack it all into a carry-on or a smaller suitcase or meet that weight limit, these packing cubes are a necessity. So these actually are expandable, so you can see how this expands. So you can expand it as deep as it goes. It's pretty deep. Like this is the smaller one. It gives you, this is good size, like maybe socks, underwear, things like that. Pretty deep. So yeah, about like that. stuff it full, zip it up, and then you zip this other zipper for the compression part. So you can really thin this down. So it comes in small, medium, and large. And then I got another set for my husband, which is great. So we can usually fit all of our stuff in these 3 cubes, and it saves up a lot of room in our suitcases, you know, for all of those things you're going to buy in your destination. And let's see what else. And then these are just the little things that we always find that we have needed traveling, like our toothbrushes. Like we're, you know, putting them in our travel bag, but sometimes we go through the cases a lot, you know, like the little covers. So I saw these. We always need these. Just a little, super simple, super inexpensive, but definitely needed to keep your toothbrush head, you know, to keep that clean and sanitary. So just a little, you know, they're colorful, little covers for the toothbrushes. Inexpensive, but these are some things, honestly, when you're traveling, when you see your toothbrush just kind of chunked in your travel bag, you're like, oh, what is it? You know, what's on there? These are key. So kind of silly, but we're really glad to have them. And then another thing, traveling, is that we always, you know, love to take a hat, because most of the places we go to are very sunny and we always need a hat, but we don't want to travel with a hat because, like, where do you put it? On your head? I mean, yeah, you can, but I saw these, and these are attached to your suitcase or your you know, like your personal item, your purse. And this snaps on to the brim, so you don't have to carry it. It just kind of hangs right here on your purse and keeps it flat. Super easy. You still have your hands free. You're not wearing that mismatched hat on your head. So there we go. I had him and hers. You know, a lot of these things I bought in sets, one for me, one for my husband, or else I wind up carrying all the stuff. So these are really great. And then just some little fun items. When you're traveling as a girl, you always need a ton of hair clips. So we got these. These are very small. You can put them in your purse, your backpack, your suitcase, and you always have one handy just to toss your hair up wherever you might be going. And yeah, so this was a lot of fun. We really enjoyed, you know, kind of perusing through the Temu catalog and finding the items that we absolutely love for traveling. And these are our essentials. We travel very light, but these are the things that we definitely know you need. And it's good to find, you know, small sized and good travel items. And so another one of our favorite things that we got is this passport book. It holds your passport and protects it. And this is great for traveling through the airports. So it's easy accessible. You can have your passport in here, some credit cards, ID cards. It has some little pockets for a SIM card, 2 SIM cards, and you can, you know, put some cash in there. So super convenient. It's very slick, very slim. So it should easily fit into a crossbody purse or your backpack. So this is another great travel item that we always use, is a passport cover book.
Thanks for joining us for this Temu unboxing. We hope you found some inspiration for your next travel adventure, or even just some cool finds to make everyday life easier.
Don't wait. Download the Temu app using our link or code to claim your $100 coupon bundle. And if you're a new user, grab that $1 deal while it's still available.
Happy shopping. We'll see you in the next video. Take care and keep exploring.